Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with the solution of the vertical filter. So this is how it's going to work. Yes, I told you about the two methods. The other method was including another sheet. Um, so I just tried to make a copy, but there is some complication in that one. So what it will do, uh, once you will select any particular sales team or any other team, now you have to go to the second tab and see the filtered thing. I don't think so this is compatible or the better option. So I just switched to the second option, which is once you have selected the teams, there will be a button just like this one, and currently you can see all the teams, but now we have selected only sales team. So I'll click this button, and maybe in 2 or 3 seconds you can see only the sales team are showing here. Now I have tried this for multiple teams and no teams as well. Now I'm selecting sales and finance both. Let me see. I'll click the apply filter again, and now you can see the sales and finance team are showing in the vertical filter again. So let me clear all and press this button. Now you can see, as you didn't have selected any of the team, so it will show every. Now let me select three teams: finance, leadership, and maybe sales. Once you select the team, you have to click this button. Maybe 5 seconds it's gonna take. Yes, you can see less than 5 seconds. Leadership, sales, and the finance team are showing in the vertical bar. Hopefully this is the word this is what you want. Thank you. Please let me know your offer and budget so that I can share you the solution. Thank you.